she taught me to love her and promised to love and to cherish me over all others above. How my heart now is wandering, no misery can tell. She's left me no warning, no words of farewell. Howdy, everybody. Wildwood Flower, song for this week, or for this double week. I'm doing these about every 2 weeks, so 2 a month maybe. Wildwood Flower is a variant of the song I'll Twine Mid the Ringlets, published in 1860 by composer Joseph Philbrick Webster, who wrote the music. The lyrics attributed to Maud Irving. The Carter family recorded it as Wildwood Flower in 1928 on the Victor label. And that's the version that became most famous. It's been recorded many, many times. I've got a setting here in the key of G, standard tuning, of course. And I've got the tab right here, which I will show you. I'll display it for about 8-9 seconds at the end, very end of this video. So hang on. Just want to explain some stuff so you don't get into some kind of a finger picking trap. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory here. The very beginning is lead-in notes. And there we start the song. The D parts, I play 2nd fret 6th string, 2nd fret 3rd string. Back to G. Again, the pickup note. This time it's a hammer. 3rd fret 6th string, open 2nd string. Hit that, those together, and then hammer that 2nd string at the 1st fret. There's the D again. Now, when I didn't finger that right. When I'm on that D and I'm ready to go back to the G, this fingerlet's on a 6, slide it up to the 3rd fret, because this position is important. Because here it comes. See how we need 3rd fret 2nd string, and right away 3rd fret 1st string. Do, do, do. So that's why we got this fingering. That's why I had that middle finger on the 6th string. Well, up to the 7th fret, nosebleed section, just for a second. Then back down to, we need this note, those notes in melody. Oop. Slide down, you finger the 6th string 3rd fret, 1st string 5th fret, back down to a normal G. C chord, only one on this tune. The G, but the 3rd fret 2nd string, along with the 3rd fret 6th string together. Remember, we had the one on the 2nd string. This one's on a 3rd string, open to 2nd fret. Back to the D. Now here's, earlier we did it like this. third line of the tab. Now we're ending it with a little push rhythm. Remember push rhythm? You play you play a note unexpectedly a bit early. Right here. You're going back to G chord. Right there. So that open third string is still in that kind of D measure part. Last line of the tab, first measure. Yes, I'll get it sooner or later. See how it kind of kicks into the G chord, back to the G chord a bit early. Push rhythm or anticipation. It's called both of those, and it gives it kind of a kick. Syncopation, also. It's called that sometimes. So, straightforward finger picking, alternating bass, and I don't think you'll have any trouble with it. Maybe sliding up to that 7th. Right? But take it slow so you get it all right in time. Don't rush it or don't delay that move up to the 7th fret. You know what I mean. Keep it on time. So best thing to do is set a metronome very slow. And this will be on YouTube also. So you can slow the YouTube video down and you can hear every note. Print this tab off, I'll show you in a minute. And you follow the tab and hear the notes. And then, of course, after, get the tab in front of you and start playing it. So the notes of the tab, the written notes go to your strings and your fingers. That's how it works. Alrighty, have fun. We'll see you later. Oh, yeah.